We'll demonstrate straight stitch. It's widely used and simple stitch. Very suitable for beginners to learn. Can stitch various patterns. It's indispensable stitch in embroidery. So let's demonstrate. Can see above there are horizontal and vertical lines. We start from left side first. Come up at left end of line. Take down at right end of line. Now one horizontal straight stitch is complete. Demonstrate again. This line is vertical. We come up from top end. Then take down below. This vertical line is complete. Isn't it simple? Following these operation steps, stitch all remaining patterns. Straight stitch can be short lines or long lines. When working needle, we must maintain stitch length. Spacing must be even. Stitched straight lines will be beautiful. Can also change line length or direction and density, thus creating various patterns. It's very versatile stitch in embroidery. Let's see the overall finished effect.